Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking few cards, guys. So this is for your general energy, Capricorn. This is for your career, and this is for your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the angel deck. So that is the angel guidance message for you all, guys. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. So for your daily energies, Capricorn, we have Six of Swords in reverse. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe certain things are being declared in your work situation or in your love life. This person may declare their love for you, or you are getting some positive news in your work, some promotion or something good is happening, guys. Or it may also be uh, suspensions of some projects, something bad also. But overall, I see here a good energy with this card. So something good may manifest, guys. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your career? Ace of Pentacles. So I was saying, so very good news coming your way, guys. So you may get a promotion, or you may move to a different place with the promotion, guys. Or in your business, you may see lucrative deals coming your way, some opportunities to have that make fortune out of it. So that may also be the energy here. So something very positive, something which you like, some new beginning is coming in your business. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Five of Swords in reverse. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, in this relationship, you may not feel so good. Certain things, you are not having that understanding in this relationship, maybe. Though things are going well with your work situation, something positive in your relationship, you may not see that clarity, you may not have that affection or understanding with this person. That is what I see here, Capricorn. So these cards may denote something, guys, but these are just cards, but our life is in our hands. So the way we are, the way we want our life to be, it is in our hands. So these cards, if they denote something negative, it just means that you have to have that determination in your life to make things positive for yourself, move yourself towards those goals, whatever you need to achieve. So if you are in a happy relationship, this does not mean anything. But if you are really in some kind of arguments or some misunderstandings, it just means that you have to work towards a clarity or getting that clarity in your life, guys. So the means of getting that clarity is with a deep communication. So you need to communicate with this person truthfully what you truly feel, and assess your situation, both of you together, and come to our understanding if you have that love and affection for this person, and if you want to make this relationship work. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Let us see what is the card for your guidance. Silence your thoughts. Such an apt angel message, guys, guidance message. So we need to give up all that waste chatter that we have in our mind. So we go on and on and on thinking about those things we have spoken, things that make us worry, So we need to give up all that, guys, and we have to calm our mind. Maybe for some of us, we can take a meditation, practice meditation. So when we do that, we calm ourselves, we give away all that unnecessary negative thoughts we are having. So we need to find some time alone and clear our mind of all these negative thoughts that is causing us stress. So when you clear your mind, when you are in that quiet space, you will be able to control your mind, and you will have a different perception of your situation and of your life. You will get that clarity. So that is what the angels are guiding us with, Capricorn, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. I hope this reading resonated. If it did, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.